Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your Verizon account is active and your phone supports eSIM. Once that's verified, sign into your My Verizon app or account portal. This is faster than calling. Decide whether you're converting an existing physical SIM to eSIM or adding a second line, because the flow differs. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and you have account credentials ready. This prevents delays when the QR or activation code appears during the next steps. Next, request the eSIM through My Verizon or the app. Pick device, then replace or activate and request eSIM. Verizon will send a QR code, numeric activation code, or push the profile remotely. The delivery method depends on your device. Once you have the code or QR, open your phone settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR or type the activation code, and follow on-screen prompts. This writes the eSIM profile. Finish by completing activation in the app or waiting a few minutes for Verizon's network to push activation. You'll see signal bars once done. Test a call, send an SMS, and use mobile data to confirm full service. If you keep multiple lines, set your default voice and data line in settings to avoid unexpected charges. If activation fails, restart the phone, retry scanning the QR, or contact Verizon support with your activation code. This resolves most edge case provisioning errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.